Children, in the last class we are learning about how to write Roman numerals for the Hindu-Arabic numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals for Roman numerals. See children, here I am given Roman numerals. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Here see children, we have to bar. Here we have to, for every Roman numeral, bar. Bar means we want to multiply with any one of the Roman numeral multiplied by 1000. What is that children? Multiplied by 1000. Multiplied by 1000. See children, here V bar means 5000. See children, I am keeping V. V means in the Roman numeral 5. So bar means multiplied by 1000. That means 5 into 1000, 5000. X bar 10,000. L bar 50,000. C bar 100,000. D bar. D means actually in Roman numeral 500. We want to multiply. Bar means we want to multiply by the number 1000. That means 500,000. M bar means 1000 thousands. M bar 1000,000. See children, here we start the exercise. In that exercise, first sum, see children, what is the given Hindu-Arabic numeral? What is the heading children? Write the Roman numerals for the following Hindu-Arabic numerals. Once again, see children, write the Roman numerals for the following Hindu-Arabic numerals. See children, here given Hindu-Arabic numerals children, we want to change into the Roman numerals. We want to write for this number Roman numeral. First one, see children, what is the given number? 105. How to write 105 children? How to write 100 plus 5. 100 plus 5. So what is the Roman numeral for 100? So Roman numeral for 100, what is the children? C. So write here C. Plus what is the 5? 5 for Roman numeral V. So write here V. So what is the answer? C plus V. How should write? CV. Okay children? And next one, see children. What is the given Hindu-Arabic numeral children? 9865. What is the given Hindu-Arabic numeral? 9865. So how to write 9000? First we want to write 9000 and next 800 and next 60 plus 5. So first we want to write for 9000. How to write 9000 children? 1000 minus 100. How to write 9000? 1000 minus 100. So that means, what is children? That means CM. How to write? CM. So for M is the bigger number. We want to write here left side of the number means that is subtraction. So 9000 write CM. And after that 800. How to write 800 children? How to write 800? 500 plus 100 plus 500. What is the 500 children? D. And again 100 C. See children? For this one is 900. D means 500. C means 100. 100. Up to here 800 over children. And next we want to write 60. How to write 60 children? 50 plus X. 50 plus X. That means L plus X. L plus X. And again we should write for 5. 5 means V. So what is the answer children for this sum? See children? Okay children? See children? How to write for 9000? We should write like 1000 minus 100. That means CM. And next means 800. 800 means 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100. Again we have 60. How to write 60 children? L plus X. And again we have number 5. How to write 5 for a Roman numeral V. So what is the total answer children? CM means that is 900. D C means 800. What is the children? 85,250. What is the children? 85,250. So how to write 85,000? How to write 85,000? First we should write like 80,000. What is the children? 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 50. So for these numbers we want to write the Roman numerals. 80,000. 80,000 how to write children? 80,000. L bar. L bar means 50,000 plus X bar means 10,000 plus X bar means 50,000, 10,000 and 10,000 and again 10,000. Up to here how many thousands are there children? 80,000. Again we have 200. How to write 200? C plus C means 100 plus 100. Again which number we have children? Plus 50. 50 means L. Okay children, 50 means L. So what is the total Roman numeral children? L, X, X, X. So how many X's are there? L, X, X, X. For this one we have to write bar. Bar means 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000. Again we have here 5,000 children. 5,000 means how to write 5,000? V bar. V bar is there children. Plus V bar means here also add children V bar. See 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000. Again we have 5,000 means that means V bar. And again C, C, L. What is that children? C, C, L. Children, next problem is children. Write the Hindu Arabic for the following Roman numerals. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. So children, what is the given sum children? This one is in the Roman numerals children. So D, X, X, X and again 8. 3, 1, 1, 1. So D means what is the D in Roman numerals children? What is that? 500. Right here 500 plus what is the meaning of X? X means 10 and again 10 and again 10. And after that for this one is 8. So what is the total answer children? 500 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 means 530 plus 8. 530. Next Roman children, write the Hindu Arabic numeral for the following Roman numerals. For this one, first Roman children, first one D, X, X, X and 8. So what is the meaning of D in the Roman numeral children? 500. X means 10, 10, 10 and 8. So what is the total answer children? 500 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 and 8. What is that? 560, 500, 10, 20, 30. 538. Okay children, next one children. So M bar. M bar means what is M? First we want to know M. M means what is that children? 1,000. So 1,000. So 1,000 means we want to multiply by 1,000. So 1,000 thousands. M bar means 1,000 thousand. M bar means 1,000 thousand. And after that CL. After that what is that children? CL. C means 100. L means 50. And again X means 10. And next one is 6. Next one is 6. What is the total answer children? 1,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 6 means 1,000 thousands. And 100 plus 50, 150, 166. 166. So children, next sum. M bar means 1,000 thousand. C means 100. L means 50. X means 10. And 6 means write 6. So what is the total answer children? 1,000 and 166. That means place values children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, What is that, children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Total answer is 10 lakhs 166. What is the answer, children? 10 lakhs 166. Okay, children. This is today's class, children. These sums copy in your silver, children.